In this video, I show you how to request an Uber ride using the newest version of the Uber Passenger app for 2019. Let's open our Uber app and we're greeted with the welcome screen. If you've traveled to other locations before, note here at the bottom, we'll see some of our frequently traveled destinations. If we look at the top of the app, we see the traditional ride option. In some markets, you also have scooter and bike options as well. If we click on the car and the clock icon, we can also schedule a ride in advance. If we click on where to, we can enter an address, or we can also choose from favorites or saved and recent locations. Let's again click on where to. You can enter an address or even the name of the location. In this example, let's look up Starbucks. After choosing the correct location, we are then greeted with different ride options. Note the standard default ride on the Uber platform is UberX. Here we can see a quoted drop-off time, the number of passengers that can take that ride, as well as a quoted fare. In the top portion of the app, we can also see our wait time until pickup. If we scroll through the app, we can see economy options, premium options, extra seat options, and more. After choosing our ride type, let's click on Confirm UberX. Now make sure that the pickup pin is at the destination of your requested pickup, and then click on Confirm Pickup. If we click on the payment method at the bottom of the app, here we can monitor, add, or remove payment options. To see more options in the Uber Passenger app, click on the menu icon in the top left. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider leaving a like and sharing this with someone as well.